House Committee of Mindanao Affairs Vice Chair and Lanao del Sur Representative Zia Alonto Adyong thanked President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. for certifying as urgent the measure seeking to postpone the holding of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARM elections. For its part, the Presidential Communications Office or PCO says the chief executive believes this move will help address the region's needs before the holding of a political exercise. Also, it is geared towards promoting unity and shows genuine recognition of BARM's autonomy.
Nagpapasalamat tayo kay President Bongbong Marcos kasi nga parte sa kanyang priority yung pag-angat ng BARM. Alam naman natin ang BARM ngayon sa transition period pa. Unfortunately, with the decision of the Supreme Court excluding Sulu as part of the court territory, nagkaroon siya ng impact doon sa selection ng seats na magbubuo ng 80 seats sa Parliament. So it's very imperative and very important that before we can proceed with the election, dapat ma-redistribute muna itong 80 seats na to.